So we are at historic Galle in Sri Lanka. Galle is a town, a UNESCO World Heritage town that was founded by the Dutch in the 17th century. It's an old fort town, and this was the military headquarters for the Dutch in Sri Lanka for many years, until it was then sold and then was a hotel was created called the New Orient Hotel, and it's one of the first and most historic hotels in all of Sri Lanka, which was then sold to the Aman Group and became what we call Amangalla in 2004. And so this room is room number 14, the Amangalla Suite, which is shares honors as the top room category, at least rate-wise, with what they call the Garden Suite, I think, Garden House, which is a standalone villa. This is not. But the difference being that this has the views, whereas the Garden House has probably more space and privacy as a detached unit. Anyways, the whole town of Galle, spelled Galle, is a, again, fortress town. There's a lot of remains of the fortress, famous walls. It's right along the coast. And so this is the bathroom. And this is the shower. So anyways, they tried to keep it as authentic and true to the its roots from time of the New Orient Hotel as possible. But of course, there's some technological and amenity advancements that they've done via extensive refurbishments over the years. Anyway, so this is the bedroom. Massive 4 posters for this bed. Again, this Amangalla Suite is on the top floor. So you have the real 180 degree views from the top floor of the property. Here you can store your belongings. Safe drawers. More drawers down there. Extra pillows and blankets up here. And then so we turn around. And this is the living area. This massive mirror on the right. So this is about a 2-hour drive from Colombo. We came here from Hatton area, where we stayed at Ceylon Tea Trails. So we chartered a float plane to an airport about 30 minutes near here called Kogalla, from the reservoir where Tea Trails is located in, the Dunkel bungalow. But anyway, so you can combine this with a ocean beach resort called Amangalla, if you so desire. The ocean's here, although I don't know how swimmable it is in this area. So anyway, so this is within the UNESCO Old Town, Old Fortress Town. It is walkable. You can go on a tour. Aman arranges a private tour. You can see a lot of the remains of days gone by. So anyways, this is where we're staying at for the next few days. Very colonial, historic charm and look to it. And we're going to explore the town tomorrow, but we're going to have afternoon tea now and explore the property a little bit. Hope you enjoyed. Amangalla Suite at Amangalla in Galle. It's actually spelled Galle, but pronounced more like Galle in Sri Lanka.